Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Thursday the 6th of March. We're going to be moving on to the final chart of the day, which is gold. Gold certainly has now unwound that excessive move that it had on Monday and is now consolidating tightly in a range. I'm still concerned, as I said to you previously this week, still concerned about this ongoing bearish divergence which you've got on the daily chart, bearish divergence with the RSI and also the stochastics as well. And just today also we're seeing just a very slight crossover now in the MACD lines as well, so that does suggest that we're sort of getting closer to what could be a correction in this chart, and certainly moving into this intraday chart. The outlook could be also considered to be one of correction as well. Starting off with the fact that you've broken this uptrend, that's in place, but also I've highlighted this red line, which is the 55-hour moving average, and just look at the regularity in terms of how it's used as support and then resistance just throughout this last month or so, and it's now become once more the basis of resistance, and that has happened on an amazing regularity. I'm really impressed by this one actually. So the 55-hour moving average is the one you really need to be looking out for. And once again, we've seen a move back towards that. A couple overnight actually today have actually come back towards that 55-hour moving average. 1337 is the basis now that we're looking at. So that is certainly putting pressure. In the fact that it's falling, that is putting pressure to the downside. So you're seeing this trading band that we've been in for the last couple of days, between the 1340 mark and 1331 mark. That is now the band that we need to be looking at. On the downside, you're looking at 1331 pretty much as the low of that band of consolidation. 1341 on the high. If we break below 1330, that would certainly, I think, reopen this kilo at 1319.61, and that would put pressure certainly to the downside. I mean, on the daily chart, I'm still open to the fact that I think that this chart could be coming back towards 1300. Ultimately, which would be a nice unwinding of a little bit of overbought position and give us a chance to buy once more. However, I think intraday, I think certainly this consolidation pattern is going on at the moment, and we've got this 1331 support that's intact. So whilst that is in the case, you're slightly okay, but the pressure is building to the downside. You've got the MACD lines which have just unwound to neutral and turning lower again. The RSI on the intraday fell over at 60, and it is coming back towards this back towards the 30 marks more often than not, so that would also suggest a bearish configuration on the RSI. As I said, this 55-hour moving average is the one to look out for, 1337 currently, as the basis of resistance. But as I said, I think pressure will be building on this 1331 mark ultimately, and I think it could be open towards a correction back towards 1319 on this intraday chart. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.